how to add blocked terms and phrases on your stream, on your channel, on Twitch PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Twitch. This is the home page, as you can see. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile picture and go down, click on settings. After you click on settings, click on channel and videos and go here, click on moderation. After you click on moderation, click on this second option, block terms and phrases, and here as you can see you can add the phrases that gonna be blocked. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.